Hi friends, I am Vamshi. Today we are going to discuss about introduction of Java. Here we have two topics, program and software. These are the basic softwares which we need to know before entering into the Java. These are the basic concepts. What is the program? What is the software? How many types of softwares we have? And Java is available in how many types in the market? So let's get into the topic. First one is program. Program is a set of instructions which are executed by a machine to reduce the burden of a user or a human being by performing the operations faster without any mistakes. There is a basic definition about program, and for example, a mathematical calculation like addition of numbers. Mathematical calculation like addition of numbers. Here I would like to take one example like calculator. In the calculator we have so many type of performances like addition of numbers, subtraction, multiplication, division, modularity, square roots, square, cube, like that. Every individual perform like addition. See, if this take as example addition of two numbers. For that purpose, we prepare a code and insert it into the IC chip in the calculator by entering two numbers. After entering a first number, click plus and then enter the second number and click on the equal to button. It will show the result. Yeah, it's a simple thing for up to 3 digits or 4 digits. But for example, if we consider 15 digits of a number and need to multiply with another 15 to 20 digits of number, the result is huge. We cannot calculate our results. It will take much more time to get the result, and even after getting the result, we don't know it's accurate one or not. So for that purpose, we create one program and insert it into the calculator. Just by simply entering the two numbers in the calculator and then click on the equal to button, it will show within milliseconds of time and with more accuracy. Nearly 99.9% it's correct answer. Maybe the 0.01% is wrong, like in points, decimals, some other thing somewhere. So the multiplication is a separate program, and addition is a separate program, and like that. The program means set of instruction. Just here we have rules to multiply two numbers. This is the first side of number. Multiply the first side of the second side. For example, here I would like to explain one thing. For example, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now I am going to multiply this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anyone can guess the answer this one? Actually we can guess, but it will take much more time and we don't know whether it's a correct answer or not. So for that purpose we have one thing, calcs. See, 3. This is the calculator. I am entering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and multiplication 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And just by click on the enter or equality button, yeah, it's given. This one is a accurate answer. Maybe the fault, maybe this one we cannot get ourselves. By using calculator, it's a milliseconds of matter. So for that purpose, we create some programs to reduce the burden many more times. Here we have some rules. Multiply with the 6, first this one, then with the 6 to the 5, with the 6 to the 4, like that. We have some rules. According to that rule we create one program and insert it into the calculator, and when we require to multiplication scenario, there we can use that program. So finally, the main motto is our program. It's a set of instructions executed by a machine to reduce burden of a human being or some other things in a efficient manner. This is the definition of program. No, this is the one program for this one. Okay, and next one is software. This is the software, and software means uh, set of programs. For example, just now we discussed about multiplication. It's a one program in calculator. Calculator is one software. By using a calculator, we can perform many number of operations like multiplication, addition, subtraction, division, roots, square roots, cube roots, cubes. We can perform many more things. So, calculator is a software, and addition of two numbers is a program. So, software is a collection of programs. Program is a set of instructions. Right? In that software, we have two types. One is system software, and second one is application software. System software is the softwares which are designed to interact or communicate with the hardware devices to make them work are called as system softwares. The softwares are generally developed in languages like C, C++. For example, OS, operating system. We have three types of operating system mainly. We have much more, but here popular are three, which basically we know. First one is Windows, second one is Linux, third one is Mac. So if we take example as Windows, in Windows we can perform many more things. We can play music, we can prepare our documents, we can create some Excel sheets, we can game, we can use internet, we can see movies, many more things we can do. That is the system software. The system makes the software which is designed to communicate with the devices and make them to work properly. For example, if I have a mobile and laptop, I can connect by using a cable, and I can use my mobile. I can see what are the data stored in mobile on the laptop screens. So here the connection is established by using some programs. That is the input output programming, and these two are in communication. Just now by clicking on the data what I required, which is stored in my mobile, I can access it on the laptop screen by using the IO programming. So the softwares which are designed to communicate with the device and make them to work properly, that's called as a system software. For example, operating system, drivers, compilers. And second one is application software. The softwares which are called designed to provide entertainment, store data, process data, do business, generate reports, etc. are called as application software. The softwares are generally developed in languages like Java.NET. Here, one software, application software. For example, in our mobile, we use Facebook, WhatsApp, and Viber, Hike, IMO, like that. These are the application softwares. The application using, for example, WhatsApp, for what purpose we are using WhatsApp? Messaging, video calling, not video calling, just calling, and by using internet signal, right? So by using WhatsApp, we can communicate with other people, and we can entertain, we can share our videos, we can share our memories like photos, some other things. We can share our opinions. So an application is the application which is designed to provide entertainment, storing of data, and some business purpose, generating reports. For example, MIB report or medical reports. How we can and the best example is conductor's machine. Just they are giving some inputs and it will provide some output in the format of paper, like that, generating report. It's an application. Right? I think you understand what is the application software and system software. In the application softwares, we have two more types, that is standalone software and web-based software. For example, we have some Microsoft Office. We can use Microsoft Office Word in a particular system where we install that one. See, I install Microsoft Word software in my laptop and I would like to use that one on my mobile. It's not possible because it's a standalone software. The basic definition for the standalone software is the software which can execute in the context of a single machine are called as standalone software. For example, in previously more number of people familiar with the C language. We have multiple number of compilers for C language like Turbo C2. I can use Turbo C2. Actually, if I write one code in C language, I compile in my system, and next I would like to compile the same code, same program on another system in another compiler. It would not run there because according to my system environment, the program is created, and I cannot execute that one in another system because there may be a environment difference, there may be a compiler difference, there may be some other differences affecting the compilation or execution of a program. So that's the best example is a standalone web-based software. For example, Google is the best web-based application. It's a search engine. We can search whatever we want on Google, and I can access in my system. I can access it in another system. In future, I may go to somewhere. I can use there itself also. But standalone softwares only we can use where the software is installed at that place only we can use that software. And the media player, Windows Media Player. I have some songs in my video player, and recently I went to some other place. I want to use that one, but I am not able to use Windows Media Player to play my songs. So, but for example, Hungama installed in my mobile and in my laptop. There I downloaded some songs, and those songs I can play on anywhere by using internet connection, by using data connection. I'm nearly 500 kilometers away from my home, but I can able to listen my songs. My favorite songs I can listen there because of the Hungama is a web-based application, and Windows Media Player is a standalone software. There is a big difference between the standalone and web-based. The web-based software basic definition is the software which can execute on any machine with the help of a browser. Yeah, they clearly mention help of a browser. By using a browser, we can access the web-based application. Examples for the standalone software: MS Word, Media Player, etc. Web-based software examples: Gmail, Facebook, Hungama, etc. And the Java language is already we discussed. It's released by Sun Microsystems in the year of 1995, and it's available in the market in three formats. Like, in the Java we have three formats, three editions. Java Standard Edition we call it as a JSE, and the second one is JEE, Java Enterprise Edition, and the third one is Java Mobile Edition. Just see the figure here. This is the main Java, and this is segregated into three formats, like three editions we call it. And first one is Java Standard Edition. This is the core Java. We call it as a core Java. And now in our sessions we are gonna discuss with this thing. And this is a Java Enterprise Edition, JEE. In the Enterprise Edition, we can discuss JSP, Servlets, JDBC, like that. In the Java Mobile Edition, it's suitable to it provides some scope to design or to create some programs for mobile applications. In the Java Standard Edition, this standard edition can be used for developing standalone softwares. Just now we discussed about standalone softwares. It, we can use that particular software where the software is installed at that place only. So by using a Java Standard Edition, we can design standalone softwares. And second one is Java Enterprise Edition. By using the Java Enterprise Edition, we can develop web-based softwares like Google, Facebook, or Yahoo, YouTube, like that. And the third one is Java Mobile Edition. This edition can be used for developing applications for mobile services, wireless devices, embedded controllers, etc., where memory is limited, that is less memory. And actually, in our mobiles, we have a 32 GB, 16 GB, 8 GB, and 4 GB also. There we cannot use huge applications like the application which has nearly 500 GB or 100 GB, like that. So for that purpose, we have to create some small applications like which have a memory as 14 MB, 21 MB, 100 MB, like that. For that purpose, we use mobile application. It will give that scope to create programs which have less memory. And this is the introduction to Java. Thank you, friend. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below this video, and give some comments below the video. It will help to me to increase explanation skills and technological skills. Thank you very much, friends.